do, beauties? It's your girl Brandi Dione, and we are back with another video. I missed y'all. I know some of y'all missed me, some of y'all didn't. It's okay, but I'm back. I will have a video on where I have been coming up, so definitely stay tuned for that. I think I'm going to go ahead and do a chit chat. Get ready with me, and I'm going to talk to you guys for a little bit, and so definitely stay tuned for that. I want to thank you guys so much for just being loyal to me, staying subscribed to me. I have 64 subscribers. I haven't reached my goal of 100 subscribers, but I know that I haven't been uploading consistently. I've been gone for like 3 or 4 months, but I do have 64 subscribers. I don't think I had that when I left, or right after before I had one of my little break. I didn't have 64 subscribers. So I do want to thank the ones who did subscribe. I want to thank all of you for being loyal and staying subscribed to my channel. And I appreciate y'all so much. But I am back, and I will have a video on where I have been, so stay tuned for that. This video will not be a makeup tutorial video. It will not be a makeup video. This video will be a hair video. As you can see, this hair on my head, and I did say hair because this is a wig. Yes, I said a wig. This is a wig. This is actually a human hair wig, 100% human hair wig. Before I get started into this review, I want to ask you guys to subscribe to this channel. I want to ask you guys to subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and like this video, comment and let me know that you guys like what you see. Comment and let me know what you would like to see from me. And yeah, thank you guys for staying loyal to me. I appreciate it. You are the reason why I came back, so I appreciate y'all. But let's get right into this tutorial before I just be blabbering about all this thank you stuff. Anyway, this is a wig, guys. This is a wig. This wig is called the Bobbi Boss 100% human hair wig, Breezy, B-R-E-E-Z-Y. I got this wig from the wig store for $49.99. This wig is found cheaper online. You can get it cheaper for about under $30, $25, $26 online. I would recommend that you definitely get it online. Not only that, but not all stores carry this wig. So just to be on the safe side, you would get it online if you like what you see. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I got it to this particular look, this wet, curly look, because it did not come like this. The picture is right here. This is how it looked. If you look at the bottom of the screen, I have the picture right here. This is how it looked. This is how it looked. It came curly and bushy, just like the picture right here. I tamed it to get it like this. Sometimes you have to tame your wigs to how you want it. Not all wigs will come how you want it. You may like the picture, but when you get it, the picture of what's on the box is not how it may actually look. Sometimes it will. So in those cases, you'll have to tame it. I went to the hair store knowing what I wanted. I knew I was looking for a red burgundy curly wig. I did want it to be medium length, maybe a little bit longer than this, but this will do because I like short hair as well. And I'm a burgundy red kind of girl. I like burgundy red hair, or I like black. I like color, but red and burgundy is my go-to. So I knew what I was looking for when I went to the hair store. So when I went into the hair store, I asked the Korean lady, Chinks, whatever they are. I asked her, does she have any curly human hair wigs, red and burgundy? Because it is kind of hard to find that particular color in a curly wig. Most of them come blonde or like brown or black, the basics. A lot of them don't come burgundy. So I saw this on the display. She told me that they didn't have any. Of course, sometimes you can't listen to them. You gotta go look for yourself. They don't know every single thing they have in inventory. So I proceeded to look around the store, and I saw this wig on display. It did not look like this. Again, it was bushy and it was curly, so I knew I would have had to tame it. But anyway, I tried on a wig just to see if I would like it. Not to my surprise, I liked it because I was interested in it when I saw it on the mannequin. So that's what made me pick it up and try it on. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and take this wig off, and I'm going to show you how I got this look. So I'm going to remove this wig, and as you can see, I have a stocking cap on. My hair is gelled into a ponytail. I don't have it braided, but it's gelled into a ponytail, and it's like smushed right there. You probably can't see it, but anyway, it's gelled into a ponytail, guys. But this is how the wig look. This is a close-up. It's really pretty. Really pretty. And all you're going to do is you're going to buy some Brandywine. Definitely get this Brandywine Oil Sheen wig conditioner. It's for wigs and human hair. The look will not turn out like this if you do not pick up this. So this is very important. You can get this, I'm thinking, for about $5 or $6. Don't quote me on it, but definitely find out. It's not much. It's under $10 for sure. You can definitely get this for cheap. Go ahead and invest in it. This is so good for curly hair. The Brandywine wig conditioner is so good. You don't need to put that much on here. However, this is just my preference. I like to put a lot on it because I love to get that extra curly, wet curly look. As you can see, the different colors of the red, the burgundy, the light tone to the dark tone, it's all blended in so pretty. That's why I really like this wig. And I just cut the front, the bang part, a little bit so that it won't be so long, because if you don't cut it, it's going to like come over your eyes, and that's not what I want. It's probably not what you want either. So you're just going to cut that, and you're just going to comb it until you get your desired effect. Now, once you do that, it also comes with straps. Comes with straps to adjust it. I have mine adjusted very tight so that it will not come off my head. I have a very small little head. So you're just going to adjust the straps, and then the straps always go in the back. The straps in the tail always go in the back. I don't know any wig where the straps go in the front. So now that I've did my wig how I want, I'm sorry I didn't show you guys right out the box. Yeah, so now I'm going to put it on my head. Adjust it to however you want it to be. Make sure it's on right. Make sure that it is positioned correctly. Make sure your bang is in front of your head and not to the side. And then, oops, too close. And then that's it. That's the look. Now, if you wanted to fluff it out a little bit, make it look a little wild to your preference, you can do that. If that's your preference, you can do that. Sometimes I wear it like this as well. Then on other days, I comb it. Comb it down. See? Just comb it to your desired look, and it should be a breeze when you comb it. Any naps or kinks, just make sure you comb it out. Then you're done. So again, guys, I absolutely love this wig. It can be washed. I've had it for about, what, 2 weeks now? Yeah, I've had it for about 2 weeks, maybe a week and a half. I've had the wig, but it's lasting. It's really pretty. It's soft as heck. The Brandywine wig conditioner will do justice. I'm telling you. I really hope that you guys like this video. I sincerely thank each and every one of you for not unsubscribing to me. I really appreciate that. Go ahead and comment on this video. Let me know that you like what you see. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Definitely hit that red button. Click that notification bell so that you don't miss another video when I do upload. And follow me on Instagram at Brandi_so_lovely. And we out this thing. Bye, guys. Oh, beauties, I almost forgot to mention that I have started a second channel. My channel is called Brandi Dione Reacts. That would be my reaction channel where I'll be reacting to where I will be reacting to music videos, music songs, different videos such as a girl jumping off a bridge, whatever you guys would like for me to react to. I will try my best to react to it. I do have about 4 or 5 videos up right now. I've been uploading on that page consistently. So definitely go ahead and check out that channel, Brandi Dione Reacts. I will go ahead and put it in the description box down below for you guys to click on it. Subscribe to that channel, y'all. I need some subscribers on that channel as well. And since you guys have been so loyal to me, I know that you'll subscribe to that channel as well. You will also get a feel of my personality a little bit on that channel. I'm going to try and sneak and do some stuff with my boyfriend. I don't know if it's going to be pranks or like, I don't know yet, but definitely stay tuned. Yeah, that channel is definitely going to be lit. I upload on that page consistently. I react to music videos. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel, y'all. Don't forget. Go ahead and subscribe to that channel right now. Head on right over to Brandi Dione Reacts and subscribe to that channel. Check out some of them videos I uploaded. I'll have more videos with not just music. I'll have more videos of other stuff. That channel is just going to be, it's going to bring out my personality. It's just going to show who I am as a person. And I hope that you guys will enjoy that channel. Comment and let me know if you did subscribe to it. And I love y'all so much. Thank you. And go ahead, y'all. Head on over to Brandi Dione Reacts. The link to that will be in the description. Let me know how you ladies like it. And again, I hope you like this wig. I will put the link to that for you to check that out. And I am officially out this thing. Bye, guys.